He's unstoppable with the ball. He must score, surely. And Pantinimon collects. He chooses to throw this one out. Passed well. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, that was nice. It's a throw-in. Salvio! Good effort there. And that's out for a goal kick. Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it. Keeper put his boot behind that. Not a good challenge. Kendreva. Free kick here. That's a yellow card. He'll need to be careful now. Player is down and I think he's injured. Eriksson will take the free kick. Sanchez. Oh, wonderful trickery here. Cavani. Kendreva. Throw in here. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. Oh, not a great challenge. There's the whistle, it's half-time. They've made just one change for the second half. 1-0 then at half-time, a slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though. Played in field. That's a rash challenge there. Oh, he's let his teammates down. It's a second yellow, and he's off. He'll be disappointed with that. Oh, that's well over. Oh, the referee's certainly been busy with his cards today. The attacker is in possession. Poor attempt to win the ball. Striker's ball. Distributes the play. He loves to go past players with the ball. Kendreva. Both teams have had a good amount of possession. Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just offside. Sissoko. Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. Cavani. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Ranocchia. Kendreva. Eriksson gets the ball. Perfectly executed. Oh, well intercepted. That's nicely played. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Martinez! Oh, what a goal! You've got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic volleyed finish. The replay will give us a closer look. It's been difficult to separate them, so you have to say a draw is a fair result here. Well timed then, great defending. Good distribution. Kendreva. We're into time added on now. Sanchez. He dribbles the ball forward. Sanchez. Oh, Mane! That's his second goal. Well, let's take another look at that. Oh, thoroughly! The referee blows his whistle then, and it's full time. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being named man of the match.